So today's top tip is how to get the most juice out of any citrus fruit. Hi, welcome to 2 Minute Tuesday, full of top tips and tricks to help make cake decorating a little bit easier. So this week's top tip is how to get as much juice out of your citrus fruit as possible. So let's get 2 minutes on the clock and let's get started. So we've got all different citrus fruits here. We'll take the limes and I'll just cut one in half and just squeeze it out to see how much juice we're getting out of that, just normal. And then second one, keep squeezing. There we go. So quite a lot out of the one lime as well. What we're going to do different to this one is we're going to warm it up in the microwave. So we're going to pop it in the microwave for 20 seconds. And what that does is actually warm up the actual citrus fruit itself to get more juice out. And that's ready. So we take it out of the microwave and rolling it backwards and forwards on your board, that'll reduce even more of the juice inside. Okay, and simply cut that, and literally that's coming out so fast. Oops. And second one. So those limes were both exactly the same size. So as you can see, we've got quite a lot more juice from the warmed citrus fruit out of the lime than the cooler one. Hope you've enjoyed this week's top tip. Please join us next time for more top tips and tricks to help make cake decorating a little bit easier. I'm Lee from Cake Craft City. Until next time, bye bye.